It's been an average year for me. Despite the coronavirus and lockdown, I was able to do good business during Diwali and wedding season. But this was about to change. There is a new store that has opened nearby. Its business is growing like a wildfire. Customers buy from him when they want clothes for party, for office, for wedding, for everything. But that's the problem. I sell the same things. In fact, our store has been the benchmark for quality for years. Then why is he getting all the business? In business, if you don't adapt, you perish. And I wasn't going to perish, not without a fight. So I did some digging. I wrote down what I learned from him, from others who were successful, and I wrote my strategies on how to increase my business. I wrote a marketing plan. First comes situation analysis. It is a snapshot of entire market. I found out how everybody was doing. Their sales by watching the number of customers who visit, their cost by looking at the different price range of clothes they sell and calculating average margin. For example, the new guy sells shirt from price range of rupees 399 to 1399, just like I do. But I like to deal with premium customers. They don't bargain and their one visit brings me sale of rupees 3000. Rupees 3000 revenue in an hour. Not too bad, right? But he has created a sweet spot somewhere in between. He may not earn rupees 3000 in an hour, but he gets a lot of footfalls or customers who visit his stores. More footfalls means more chance of sale. Not everybody who visits our stores buys from us. So even if the new guy earns half of rupees 3000 from one sale, he is able to do 2 to 3 such customers, thus earning him rupees 3000 or rupees 4500 in an hour. And he's not alone. There are so many stores like him. In fact, I found out 70% of the customers who visit our marketplace want clothes below rupees 1000. But a good quality shirt in my store starts at rupees 1100. This means I have an audience of 30% to share with few other stores like mine. But that's another problem. Rest of the stores also keep premium clothes beside budget ones. So effectively, they cater to 100% of the audience, while I cater to only 30%. Now I understood the whole story. So I made SWOT analysis. My strength was good quality clothes, wide variety for every occasion, from party wear to office wear. My weakness was these good quality clothes came at a premium, at minimum price of rupees 1100. Now this tag of premium is subjective. It depends on your market. My market has majority of the customers who wanted budget clothes below rupees 1000. My opportunity was rest of the 70% market that I didn't cater. My threat was rest of the businesses that sell budget clothes. Now comes the best part. Marketing strategy. I used Gujarat tourism model. They wanted to become best tourist place in the country. Now, what do you need when you wanted to become best tourist place? You need more tourists visiting your state than others every year. They broke down a target into 5 years and then into 1 year. So I made a target to increase my sales by 30% in a year and double it in the next 3 years. For increasing the tourist visit, the state developed tourist spot that attracts them. They fixed Asian architectural spots, developed national parks, cleaned temples, promoted their popular festivals like Makar Sankranti and Navratri. That is everything the state stands for. So my business stands for good quality clothes. I searched for wholesalers with good quality budget clothes. That's the pricing I was targeting for increasing sales. I also used online channels, that is, used WhatsApp business to connect with my customers and inform and sell them our new clothes and offers. And finally, I used promotion. I made banners, early discount posters, local radio ads, and of course WhatsApp to promote a new line of clothes, created a separate section from my premium clothing for the budget clothes. In business, it's not go big or go home. You take calculated risk and minimize the damage if your experiment fails. So I started small. I previously sold majority of the clothes from 1100 rupees onwards, and now I extended it to 700 onwards. I bought few clothes and tested this experiment for a year. If I was able to increase my business by at least 30%, then I would invest more. There are 3 estimates that we make in risk analysis and its follow-up tactics. The first scenario is optimistic. all of my stock would be sold within the next 3 months, bringing in 50% increase in revenue. Then I would place purchase order early and in bulk before the next festival season. Second is most likely scenario, which is 30% increase in sale and all of the stock would be sold in the next 12 months. Under this scenario, I would place the purchase order before next Diwali. Third is pessimistic scenario, where 0% increase in sale. In fact, stock remains unsold, failed experiment. Then I would sell all the stock at discount price, not at loss, during the next off season of June to August, and no new purchase order. So this is how you make marketing plan. You make strategic goals and use tactics to achieve those goals. Use corrective measures and do risk analysis. Thank you for watching this video.